The balance of the pH levels in the body is of high importance for every human being, not only for cancer patients. The overall health is significantly affected by it, and in order to stay healthy, you need to maintain an alkaline environment in the body. As stated in the Raw Food Health, the human body goes to great lengths to maintain a slightly alkaline pH of 7.35, but poor diet and stress can change the pH to an acidic one, in which disease can thrive. Unfortunately, to maintain the alkaline environment in the body is nowadays extremely difficult, as we are all consuming unhealthy foods, rich in chemicals and toxins, processed foods, microwave meals, and fast foods. Such an unhealthy diet creates an acidic environment in the body and thus greatly raises the risk of cancer and various other health issues. Therefore, it is of high importance to follow a healthy, alkaline diet in order to restore the balance in the body, accelerate healing, and support your well-being. We provide some extremely useful information on how to restore the pH balance in the body and maintain an alkaline environment. The alkaline diet will help you fight inflammation and various other health conditions. Your alkaline diet should be primarily based on organic leafy green vegetables, cauliflower and cabbages, broccoli, herbs and spices, root vegetables, beans, nuts and seeds, lentils and peas, onions, garlic, leek and chives, and non-gluten grains such as rice in small amounts. Also, you can consume as much fruits and vegetables as you want, and 2 to 4 ounces of grass-fed meat, organic poultry or clean fish, a few times a week. Avoid sugar, as cancer cells use more glucose per unit of time than healthy cells. Also, sugar reduces the magnesium content in the body and thus supports cancer. Natural sugars like agave and honey should also be eliminated from your diet. Instead, you can consume unsweetened applesauce, figs, dried apricots, or fresh pineapple. Professor Emeritus T. Campbell, Ph.D., Cornell University Cal, conducted a study which found that dairy is one of the most cancer-causing foods since it contains casein protein. Hence, dairy products should be avoided in the case of cancer, as due to the high acid production, they may cause inflammation, bone deterioration, and support cancer proliferation. Avoid glutinous grains as gluten causes inflammation. You should not consume high-gluten grains such as rye, whole grains, wheat, and pasta, bread, cereals, cookies, cakes, muffins, crackers, and other baked goods. You should replace them with non-gluten grains such as quinoa, rice, millet, buckwheat, and amaranth. Additionally, eliminate gluten-free prepared products, since they have added sugar or processed oils,